Module 5, Lesson 2, Topic 2, Use named ranges and worksheet references. Module 4, Managing tables and ranges introduced you to the concept of defining a named range. As you might recall, a named range can either be a single cell or a group of cells with a designated name. Using a named range in a worksheet provides several benefits. For larger worksheets, a named range can be used as a type of bookmark, which enables you to quickly navigate to the location that has been named. For formulas, a named range enables you to assign meaningful names to cells or groups of cells, which can be used in place of the column and row references. The named range can also be assigned a scope to be used within a specific worksheet or even be referred to from multiple worksheets within the entire workbook. For example, cell B6 has been defined with the name donation. This named cell is used in the formula for F2. In the formula bar, notice that equals donation *E2 displays. Using the name donation is much easier to remember than referring to cell B6 when you reference this location in formulas. After you have defined named ranges in your workbook, you can reference the stored names as you input a formula in a worksheet. To reference a named range, begin the formula with an equal symbol sign. At this point, you can simply enter the name of the reference to be added to the formula. As shown in Figure 7, as you input the name, IntelliSense automatically suggests stored names based upon the characters you input. You can select the suggested name and then continue entering the formula. Another method used to add a named range to a formula is to select the Use in Formula option found in the Defined Names group of the ribbon. This option displays all the named ranges defined in the workbook. This is quite handy if you do not remember the name of a specific range that needs to be referenced in a formula. The Paste Names option in the Use in Formula command is used to create a list of names and cell references stored in the workbook. This information can be used as a guide to show reviewers each of the defined named ranges and their associated cell ranges. A worksheet reference refers to a cell, range of cells, or named range located in another worksheet. You might use worksheet references whenever you need to create formulas that reference data throughout multiple worksheets. For example, one worksheet may display a summary of data based upon information located in other worksheets within the workbook. The format of a formula that references a cell in another worksheet is a sheet name. Cell address. Sheet name refers to the name of the sheet that contains the data. Cell address refers to the column and row reference that contains the data. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Introducing functions.